So today we are demonstrating how to warm fluid in Oster environment. So hair dryer can be used to warm the fluid and warm the patient also. Now it's recommended that if patient come in shock in hypothermia, then the fluid should be warm up to 40 degree or 102 Fahrenheit. So now you please show the temperature of the fluid. How much it is?
32 degrees Celsius.
32. Okay, now warm for 4 to 5 minutes with the hair dryer. So you just see, within 2 to 3 minutes, just show you the temperature. So ideally it should be warm up to 40 degrees or 102 degrees Fahrenheit. When patient is in shock or you need warm fluid. So now we have heated for 4 or 5 minutes. Now let's check the temperature, Tarun. Now let's check the temperature. So come closer.
40.
So now it is 40 centigrade. So this was just to demonstrate that we can use hair dryer to warm the fluid rapidly, even blood also and patient also. Thank you very much.